It's done. The first class of Mediventor graduates have been trained. Have they adopted systems thinking, expanded their skills, and understand their ecosystem? Have extra competencies been applied for more real-world innovation projects? Are they well-equipped for diverse career stops in 4IR health industry? In summary, can they conquer the notorious innovation valleys of death? Well, join us for the Lions Den event on the 2nd of March to find out. See students facing lions and battling it out for prizes and recognition. Enjoy stimulating podium discussions around making innovation happen. Be part of this groundbreaking launch event to build bridges between academia and industry. Join us in a hybrid event from Cape Town. Go to www.mediventors.com for all the details.